Dr. Saib, don't misuse the term. Do you know the meaning of kufr dun al-kufr?
Do you
Tell
know
me.
what mean is? Do you know what
Alhamdulillah.
mean? Yes.
Alhamdulillah.
What is-
You
what is
use
it
it.
mean?
No,
What does it
you
mean?
use the
What
term.
does it mean? I'm telling you, I said,
That-
explain it straight away. I said, kufr donon kufr mean one person can be a Muslim from from at one angle and can be a kafir for another angle.
You are wrong. You are wrong.
Your Imam
He's
Taymiyyah
wrong,
is
he's wrong,
that.
he's
Quote
wrong.
to
I
me,
can
Imam.
show you
No, no, no,
evidence
no.
in
Don't
Imam
drop
Taymiyyah.
name. Don't drop name.
Okay, and what?
Dr. Saib, listen to me. Don't talk about to me. Listen to first me, okay? You said that Imam Ibn Taymiyyah rahimahullah said that kufr dun al-kufr means that somebody is a Muslim from one angle and kafir from the other angle. Did you say this?
Yes, that it mean.
Okay, no problem. Dr. Saib, you have lied on Ibn Taymiyyah as well.
Digression, Imtiaz by digression. Again, this is a
Without
spanner in the works.
references,
It's a
you can make
deliberate.
any claim.
It's a
Without
deliberate.
references, you can make any claim.
Okay,
You
okay.
made the claim without reference. You quoting
You are
people
just-
without
brother,
reference.
you are just
Imtiaz
saying
by Imtiaz
that
by
Islam is non-Islamic.
It's a deliberate
What
hack.
is
Quote Ibn Taymiyyah.
Okay.
Where Ibn Taymiyyah said this? Why you lying on
Can I just come in here if you don't mind? Sorry.